So in this video, we will talk about the synchronization technique used in Java and the synchronization provided by the Lombok. It provides one synchronized annotation and what is the generated code for that annotation. We will see that. So in multi-threading environment, we need to do some synchronization so that one thread can access the resource at one time and no other threads access the same resource because it will lead to a data inconsistency in the project. All right, so that's why we need synchronization. So Java provides means many ways to achieve this synchronization. Like we have synchronized keyword at method level, and we have synchronized block also. Then Java provides some reentrant blocks and other classes related with the synchronization. So that we can achieve synchronization gracefully in the project. So one of the way is to achieve synchronization, as I discussed, is the synchronized block. So eh, as you can see in my screen that I have used one class synchronized without Lombok, and I'm using one static method, one instance method, and also one instance method. Okay, so I have created three object here. So uh, this is this is a demonstration like how I am locking this static object, and I am locking this object, and we can also pass the object reference in the synchronized block. And if you want to achieve same synchronization block in the Lombok, then how you will do this? We will see in this class, which is synchronization with Lombok. So you can see that we have the same methods here. Okay, and just we need to provide the synchronized annotation at the method level, so it will generate automatically uh, the synchronized block for this statement. And it is the like static, we can use it for static and non-static methods. And also we can provide a reference for with the annotation. I will show you the generated class for this. So the generated class will be like this one. So as you can see, we have used the synchronized keyword, and it is generated as a synchronized block in the method, right? So this is the use of synchronized annotation to achieve synchronization using Lombok. All right, that's it for this video. Hope you like the video, guys. Thank you.